Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be creating this beautiful makeup look, and if you wanna know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. But yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's just quickly get started. So first thing first, I'm just gonna moisturize my face, and this is supremely hydrating and moisturizing. So yeah, I really like it. I use it every single day and I would highly recommend it. As I'm not gonna be using any primer today, so I'm straightly moving on to the concealer, and this one is 2 to 3 shades darker than my skin tone. Most of the time I use in the shade 20, sometimes I use 10 as well, and I'm using this to color correct my face. I have a little bit of active acne and acne scars, and I'm gonna be using it to hide that. And also I have a little bit of darkness under my eyes, so this is gonna color correct that. And whenever I spot correct or color correct my face, I prefer using my finger because I think that works the best for me. And then I'm gonna be using another concealer which is more of my skin shade, and I'm gonna be applying it underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, a little bit on the cupid's bow, chin, forehead, wherever I want to highlight my face. And now I'm gonna be using a beauty blender to blend it out. Now a lot of you ask me what beauty blender I use. I use the Colorbar one, and I always link it in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And also you guys, Nykaa is having their Pink Friday sale, so if you want to get anything, I think this is the perfect time to get the products because they have a huge sale going on. I also placed a lot of orders, and yeah, the video is coming soon. And if you are confused what to get, what to not, just go to my Insta account and check the stories. I already uploaded my recommendations, so that will help you out a lot. Okay, now let's move on to the foundation, and I'm mixing a little bit of moisturizer to it because I want that dewy finish, and this is also gonna sheer the coverage a little bit. And if you have a foundation which is super duper matte, you can mix a little bit of moisturizer to it or a liquid illuminator to it to get that dewy and glowy finish. Okay, now that it's done, I'm gonna be using a loose powder to set the cream products on place so that it doesn't move, doesn't purge throughout the day. And then to set my base products on place, I'm using a setting spray, and this is the dewy finish one because I want a dewy looking skin. And look at that, this is how my skin looks like without any highlighter on. Okay, now let's move on to the liquid illuminator, and this one is so good, so blinding. I absolutely love it, and I'm just using it only on the highest points of my face, and I'm not using it all over my face. Now this is super duper blinding and looks absolutely stunning on the skin. And then moving on to the brows. Now this product is so affordable, so budget friendly, but the quality is so good. If you are looking for a good brow pencil which is very quick and easy to use, which is very beginner friendly, just go for this one. And it also comes with a spoolie, so you don't have to worry about getting another product. So this is really good. Now let's move on to the eye makeup, and I have received few products from the brand called Kiro. So first I'm gonna be using their Kajal to tightline my eyes, and also I'm gonna be using it as my eyeliner. And this Kajal is so smooth and so black, it glides on like a dream. So I would highly recommend this one, but I don't think this is available on Nykaa. You can totally get it from Amazon. This particular Kajal is really good. First I tightlined my eyes, and then with the help of an angular brush I'm just smudging it out a little bit because I'm gonna be using another product on top, and this is gonna work as my base. And then for my eyeshadow, I'm using the long wear eyeshadow stick from Kiro. The product is really good and it glides on so easily. The color is so good and suitable for every Indian skin. And yeah, I applied it all over my eyelid. And then I'm gonna be taking a bronzer and take a matte bronzer, okay, and then just I'm gonna blend out the edges so that everything looks very seamless and blended and there is no harsh line left. And this eye look is so easy and wearable, you guys. It might look like I have done a lot of things, but this is so easy. I have just used 2-3 products and this eye look is done. And now to complete the eye makeup look, I'm gonna be using mascara. Now I'm gonna be using 2 mascaras today, and one is for the volume and the other one is for the length. Now the next one is a little bit dried up, so I used another one. And I always prefer using waterproof mascaras because they are long wearing, they hold the curl better and they stay on their place throughout the day. Then I felt like I need a wing eyeliner, otherwise this look doesn't look completed, so I used this one. Now a lot of you have requested me to review the Swiss Beauty eyeliner. I don't recommend this, you guys. This is not waterproof, this is not smooth, it doesn't glide easily, and this is not beginner friendly at all, so yeah. Now coming to the lipstick, and I'm using this beautiful nude shade from L'Oreal Paris, and currently these lipsticks are on sale on Nykaa and they are flat 50% off on Nykaa. So if you want to get these lipsticks, just go and get them because the formula is amazing and they have a lot of colors to choose from. Now for my highlighter, I'm using the Flower Beauty one. To me, this is the best drugstore highlighter available in the market. This is so creamy, so buttery, glides on so easily on the skin and doesn't exaggerate your pores or textures on your skin. And this is also on flat 30% off on Nykaa. So if you are looking for a good drugstore highlighter, just invest in this one. Now moving on to the bronzer, and this bronzer is so good, and I'm not going to be using any contour today. That's why I'm using a matte bronzer so that I can use it as a bronzer or as a contour. And this bronzer looks really nice on the skin and the undertone is really beautiful, so this is going to suit a lot of Indian skin. Really like it. Now moving on to the blush, and for blush I'm using this Colorbar one. Again, a beautiful formula, looks really nice on the skin and it has a little bit of sheen to it that makes your skin look very healthy and flushed from within, and the color is so beautiful. It's gonna suit a lot of Indian skin tone. Highly recommend this one. So that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am so in love with the way my skin is looking. My makeup is looking absolutely perfect. Everything looks so cohesive and so beautiful. I really like it and I hope you guys like it too. If you do, then definitely like this video, subscribe to my channel before you leave, and also hit on that notification bell to stay updated every single time I upload a video. And that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.